Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 7, Day 3. Our topic for today is subtraction of numbers using vertical form with regrouping. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Let's review. The teacher will guide the pupils in reviewing the answer for yesterday's assessment. Here are the following answers. Lesson Purpose Intention. To subtract numbers where both numbers are less than 10,000 using vertical form with regrouping. Lesson Language Practice. Everybody will going to read and understand the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the key idea STEM. In today's lesson, we'll focus on subtracting numbers less than 10,000 using vertical form. Filipinas Elementary School has 2,472 learners. Of these, 1,542 learners are in grade 1 to 3. How many learners are not in grade 1 to 3? Comprehension. Number 1. How many learners does Filipinas Elementary School have? Correct. The school has 2,472 learners. Number 2. How many learners are in grade 1 to 3? There are 1,542 learners in grade 1 to 3. What does the problem ask us to find? We need to determine how many learners are not in grade 1 to 3. 4. How can we solve the problem? We can subtract the numbers of grade 1 to 3 learners from the total numbers of learners. Number 5. How do we express this as a number sentence? 2,472 minus 1,542 equals n. Then here is the solution. We first subtract the ones place. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0, followed by the tens place. 7 minus 4 is equals to 3, followed by hundredth place. At this point, can we subtract 5 from 4? No, we cannot, because 4 is smaller than 5. What should we do? We have to borrow 1,000 from the thousands place and regroup 1,000 into 10 hundreds, leaving 1,000 in the thousands place. How many hundreds do we have now? We now have 14 hundreds or 1,400 in the hundreds place. Can we subtract 500 from 14 hundreds? Yes, we can. And this will give us 9 for the thousand place. Therefore, there are 930 learners who are not grade 1 to 3. How do you check if your answer is correct? we can use addition to check our answer. Adding the difference and the subtrahend should give the minuend. Our subtrahend is 1,542. We will going to add this to the difference, which is 930. 1,542 plus 930, that gives us the total sum of 2,472, which is equal to the minuend 2,472. Therefore, we can conclude that 930 is the correct difference of the given equation. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Problem 2. 5,198 minus 1,304. The expected answer, step 1. Write the minuend and subtrahend vertically, placing the subtrahend below the minuend and ensuring that the digits in each place value are aligned. Just what the illustration or the equation given in vertical form. Next, subtract the numbers in each column starting from the ones place and moving to the left. Regroup where necessary. Start with the ones place. At this point, we cannot subtract 7 from 1. We need to regroup 1 tens as 10 ones. We now have 11 ones in the ones place. Subtract 7 from 11, that will give us 4. For the tens place, 9 will become 8. 8 minus 6, that is 2. And then, proceed to the hundreds place. 3 minus 5. At this point, we cannot subtract 5 from 3. We need to regroup 1,000 as 10 hundreds. We now have 13 hundreds in the hundreds place. Subtract 5 from 13, that will give us 8. Then proceed to thousand place. 8 will become 7. 7 minus 3, that is 4. Therefore, 8,391 minus 3,567 is equal to 4,824. How do you check if your answer is correct? We can use addition to check our answer. Adding the difference and the subtrahend should give the minuend. The subtrahend for the given equation is 3,567 and the difference is 4,824. We will going to add both of them. 4,824 plus 3,567 is equivalent to 8,391, which is similar to the minuend of the given problem. Making generalization and abstraction. Try to read the generalization. Evaluating learning.